Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, now let's take a look again at the euro currency. Well, this direction on the Fed statement, market has shown some reasonable plunge down, and yesterday we have said that probably this move to the downside could continue, but now market is approaching to the significant daily confluence support, and that is happening on Friday after the plunge down. So markets, short-term traders could turn to the taking profit from this really recent plunge. And in general, the taking the short position right above the confluence support area seems not very reasonable. That's why yesterday we said that probably we should wait some reaction on this support area, probably at least some bounce to the upside. That could let us to take the better position and not right at the support. Also, guys, you see that market is not at oversold, so this reaction probably should be reasonable if market really has intention to continue move to the downside. We know that euro currency likes to show the 50% retracements, so that's probably the bounce should be somewhere in there around 137.20, 137.15 area right here. Also, this bounce is even more probable because take a look at the previous move up. That was really significant action, and there's some residual of the momentum of the upward momentum still exists in the market that could add some power to the market that really could push it a bit higher. Because market has some inertia, and market every time when it starts to reverse in opposite direction has to fade out the previous momentum. That usually leads to some choppy action to the normal market attempt to continue move higher, since due to the existing momentum, upward momentum. That's why we suggest that market really could show some bounce to the upside. So we will take a look at the hourly time frame chart. You could see how it could happen. So now we have the forming of the bullish butterfly, patron butterfly buy at 136.21 completion point. So that is precisely in an area of the confluence support on the daily time frame chart, since confluence support stands at 136.13, 136.33 area. Market has tested it by this butterfly buy. It's now forming some sort of the stop grabber and so on. So if you will draw the simple MACD indicator, you will see the bullish divergence that is forming right now here. Also, guys, if you do not like the butterflies, you could treat this pattern as the just rising wedge pattern that also indicates the exhausting of the market to the downside. Other words, in the short-term perspective, market really could show some bounce up. So you can see that 50% level stands at 137.18, and it's very close to the previous support resistance. You can see this consolidation on the market. So you can see here and here again. This was support, it's broken to the downside. That could be the resistance, so market could retest this area, knowing the habit of the euro market with the 50% retracements. So anyway, some bounce to the upside could happen, and if you intend to take the short position, it's better to wait when this bounce will happen. So that will just give you the comfortable level for short entry, since you will not stand right at the significant support area and will not take the risk of this potential drawdown against you. Also, guys, as current situation is significant for the long-term perspective as well, I can't exclude that market could start to form here some broader reversal pattern. That's also possible. So if this is really the reversal to the downside, if this market really will not be able to pass through these highs, and through these highs market will really start to turn to the downside, I prefer to see some pattern on the daily time frame chart, because reversal will have the relation to the monthly time frame, to the weekly time frame chart. And usually when market shows such large scale reversal on the daily time frame chart, it usually looks like some reversal pattern. Maybe this will be the butterfly, maybe this will be head and shoulders, maybe this will be a 3 drive or something of that sort. But if we will get it, it's just significantly increase our confidence with the downward direction. We will really will get the obvious confirmation that market will not have any intention to continue move higher, will turn to the downside. Currently I do not see anything. Now I see just a retracement to the downside. That's, by the way, probably hasn't exceeded the harmonic swing yet. So if we'll take a look at this retracement, count it to the upside, so you will see that market just complete this retracement. It absolutely does not mean, at least it's no confirmation yet, that market really starts move to the downside. It's just a bounce. Okay. That's why in the very short-term perspective, you could even try to maybe take the long position with the hope that market will show some minor retracement, because butterfly pattern has been just completed. So if it will work, you will get the bounce to the upside about for the 100 pips approximately. But if it will fail, the risk will be not very significant, because the failure of this pattern, you could place stop slightly lower than the confluence support on the daily time frame. That's about the 30 pip stop. So not really significant risk. Well, that's in fact all that I see on the euro currency. Potentially the situation here is very interesting and intriguing. Since really market will show the reversal on the higher time frame chart, this could give a direction for the extended period, and we could trade, surely could trade in this direction. But now we need to get first these signs of either inability of the market to pass through these highs, some sort of the reversal pattern, or conversely, if market still will decide to pass through it and continue move to the upside, as we have discussed in our weekly research, then we need to see this. We need to get the confirmation. We need to see that market will hold about 138.30 area, and to give us a direction to the 1.44 area. So that's why you can see that market stands in some equilibrium, some tricky moment that will attract our attention for the extended period. And we will definitely monitor this situation. But in the very short-term perspective for today's trading session, we have the scalp bullish opportunity here with the potential retracement to the upside right from the confluence support on the daily time frame chart. But this is just a tactical issue, so it's doesn't carry any significant impact on the higher time frame chart, on some strategical analysis. This is just the pattern. Okay, so we have the pattern right at the daily confluence support that could lead to some bounce. So probability suggests that this bounce could happen. So you could try to trade it, or you could just skip it and wait when this retracement will end. If you have the bearish sentiment, you have bearish view on the market. I just share with you what patterns I see right now on the euro currency. Well, and let's take a look at this currency pair. It's very interesting, and let's see what will happen really on the high time frame charts.